class 3 GK. Okay, class 3 GK. We'll start with class 3 GK now. So let's start the chapter. Okay. So we'll do today lesson 4. We'll do what? Lesson 4 today. So write 4, 5 and 20. My body organs. My body organs. Organs, you know, the organs that are inside our body, we cannot see them, but they play a very important role for our body. They does all the important works inside our body which we cannot see. Okay, so they are called organs. Okay, and their work. So today we'll learn about few organs in our body and what work they perform for us, what work they do for us. Okay, let's start now. Unlike our sense organs, so you know your sense organs, you have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Our sense organs also does many things. With eyes we see, with nose we smell, with ears we hear, with tongues we taste, and with skin we touch. Okay, so unlike our sense organs, we have body organs or internal organs also. Now these are all internal organs. Okay, which we cannot see. We cannot see these organs. The internal organs means the organs inside our body. We cannot see them. Let's see how our internal organs help us. Today we'll learn what they do for us, how they help us. Okay? Now, first is what is this? Is the brain. See, I am a brain. What is written here? Brain. You can underline this. This is a brain. Now see. I am brain. I control your body functions. I send and receive messages from your body. This brain does what? It controls our body function, okay? And it sends and receives message from the body. Brain gets all the message from the body. What does the body say? The brain gets the message. If the body says do it, the brain will do it. The body says don't do it, the brain will not do. So, it receives all the message from the body, okay? This is brain, okay? It controls the body function. What is it works? It controls the body function. Next is lungs. See, this is the picture of lungs. We have 2 lungs. Okay. We are lungs. We help you in breathing. Okay. When you breathe, how do you breathe? With the help of lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. With the help of lungs, we breathe and they help us to breathe. Okay. We are the kidneys. These are the kidneys. See the picture. There are 2 kidneys in our body. So we are the kidneys. We remove waste from your body. We eat many things, good things and bad things. So all the bad things, okay, the waste, it becomes waste, and the kidney help us to remove the waste. It remove waste from our body, kidneys. Okay. Next is heart. What is this? You can underline here kidney. Next is, see, this is heart. This is I am heart. I pump blood into your body. Heart gives what? Heart pumps the blood to our body. It gives blood to the body, okay? What is the work of heart? It pumps blood, gives blood to the body, okay? Next, this is what? Liver. See, I am liver. I remove harmful chemicals from your body. All the harmful, bad chemicals, okay? It is not good for our body. This liver help us to remove it. This liver help us to remove the harmful chemicals. There are many chemicals inside our body. So, liver helps us to remove the harmful chemicals. Clear? Okay, so what are the internal organs? Write the 5. If I ask you, write the 5 internal organs of our body. Brain, lungs, kidney, liver, heart. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have learnt about 5 internal organs. What are they? 5 internal organs. What are they? Brain, lungs, kidney, heart, liver. So if I ask you, what are the 5 internal organs? Okay, you will say, if I ask you what are the internal organs, you will say the organs which we cannot see, that is inside our body, are known as internal organs. The organs which we cannot see and that is inside our body is known as internal organs. Okay, organs which are inside our body and we cannot see are known as internal organs. If I ask you name 5 internal organs, then you will say brain, lungs, kidney, liver, heart. So what you will do? You have to read. this and learn this. If I ask you what is the work of brain, you will say brain sends and receive message from your body. If I ask you what does the brain do, what is the work of brain, you will say brain sends and receive message from the body. If I ask you what is the work of lung, you will say lungs help us in breathing. Lungs help us in breathing. If I ask you what is the work of kidney, you will say kidney remove waste from our body. Kidney removes waste from our body. If I ask you what is the work of heart, what does the heart do for us? Everyone has a heart. It pumps blood in our body. It pumps blood into our body. What is the work of liver? Liver, it removes the harmful chemicals from our body. It removes harmful chemicals from our body. Liver removes harmful chemical from our body. Clear? Okay, if I ask you name any 5 internal organs, then you will say brain, lungs, kidney, heart, liver. If I ask you what is the work of kidney, you will say kidney helps to remove waste from our body. If I ask you what is the work of heart, you will say it pumps blood in our body. Same liver, what does liver do? Liver removes harmful chemicals from our body. Brain, what does brain do? Brain controls your body function. Okay, you will say brain send and receive message from the body. Brain send and receive message. It sends also message to the body and receives message to the body. Okay. If I ask you what is the work of lungs, you will say lungs help us in breathing. Lungs help us in breathing. Clear? 5 internal organs. You will write the names of 5 internal organs and what function, what work they do. You can write this in your copy. Okay. Internal organs, write and write the 5 internal organs. Write brain function, lungs function, kidney function, heart function, liver function. You read this one, you will understand. Okay. So this is the thing for today, this much. Okay. So lesson 4 we have finished GK for today, this much. Clear? Thank you.